Question is find the sum of the following AP. So whenever this keyword will come, sum of the AP means SN you should find. So here if you see, first question AP is given 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. Okay, this 10 is not the last term, up to 10 terms. That means N is 10 here. From the given AP we can find first term, that is 2, and D will be 7 minus 2, which is 5. So sum of the first 10 terms means as 10 we should find here. So we can write the formula. First write the formula of nth term in general, n by 2, 2a, n minus 1, d. Okay, now substitute the values. So 10 by 2, 2a is 2, 10 minus 1, d is 5. So with this we can cancel 5, 4. This bracket will give 9. Okay, so 49 we can write, and 5 into 49 will give 245. Okay, so this is S10. First 10 terms of this given AP is 245. Second AP is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 terms. Okay, first 12 terms of this AP we should add. That is N is 12 here. A is minus 37. For D, you should subtract these two terms. Minus 33 minus first term, that is minus 37. So minus minus will give plus. So 37 minus 33 means plus 4. So this is D. D is plus 4. A is minus 37. N is 12. So we can apply the formula, Sn formula, that is n by 2, 2a, n minus 1d. Substitute all the values here. 12 by 2, 2 into a is minus 37, 12 minus 1d is 4. This will give 6. This will give, after multiplication of 2, 74. Minus 74 will come. Here 12 minus 1 is 11. So better I'll write 11 into 4. Then in next step we can multiply, that is 44. So minus 74 plus 44 means minus 30. That is minus 180. So sum of the first 12 terms we can write is minus 180. So for the third one, AP is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. That is first 100 terms of this AP we should add. That is N is 100 here. A is 0.6. Okay. Then difference will be what? 1.7 minus 0.6. This we should subtract. So answer will be 1.1. This is difference. So D we got, A already we got, N is 100. So Sn we can apply here, N by 2, 2A, N minus 1 D. So S 100, N is 100, that is S 100. So 100 by 2, 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1, D is 1.1. So 100 by 2 means 50 we can write. Here 2 into 0.6 means 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. So 11 nines are 99, then 11 nines are 99 and 9. So it will give 108. Okay, after one digit decimal, so we'll put after one digit. Now 50 into this we can add 1.2 and 108.9. So we'll get here, this will give 9 to 11. Okay, 1 will remain, 8, 9, 10. So 0, 1 carry, so 1, and this is also 1. So 110.1. So we can multiply with 50. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 0, 5 5. Now after one digit decimal is there, so we'll put after one digit. So 0 will go. So answer will be 5505. This is what as 100. Question 2, find the sums. Find the sums given below. So this is AP. Okay, 7, 10 half, or 10 1 by 2 plus 14 and plus 84. So here in these series of numbers we can say how many terms are there, that is not given. Okay, because if we want to add, we can add using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. We can add, but this is not given how many terms are there. So that means to use this formula we should first find n. Okay, so here if you see, a is given 7, d will be 10 1 by 2 minus 7. Okay, so first convert this is mixed fraction, so convert it into proper fraction will give 21 by 2 minus 7. 21 minus 14 by 2, that is 7 by 2. So difference is 7 by 2. A is 7 and this is last term. So here that I told you an is 84. And last term we can suppose as an. So now n we can get here. Nth term is 84. A is given, D is given. We can find n, and that n value we will substitute to find Sn. So since an is a plus n minus 1d, but we know n is 84, a is 7, n is not given, d is 7 by 2. So 84 minus 7 we can write 7 by 2 into n minus 1. Okay, so this will give 77 equal to 7 by 2 n minus 1. So n minus 1 we can write, this 2 will go up in numerator and 7 will come in denominator. So answer will be 22. So n minus 1 equal to 22, that means n equal to 22 plus 1, that is 23. Okay, so now we can use this formula for sum. N is 23, A is first term which is 7 and L is last term which is 84. So now Sn is n by 2 A plus L. So that means we should total number of terms are 23. That means we should add all 23 terms, isn't it? So 23 is equal to S23 is equal to 23 by 2. A is 7 and L is 84. So 23 by 2. First we'll check whether we can cancel this one or not. Okay. So this will give 91, isn't it? So we cannot cancel. So just multiply and write. So 23 and 91 will give 2093 by 2. So this is your sum. So here this sum we should find. So first term is given A and last term is also given. So we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. But these how many terms are there, that is not given, means n is not given. So first we should find n. So from this AP we can write A which is minus 5. D we can find if we subtract the second term, the first term from the second term. Okay, second term minus first term. So minus 8 plus 5 will give minus 3. So D is minus 3 and AN is minus 230. So since AN is A plus n minus 1D, substitute all the values here. A is minus 5 and we should know, we should find n. Okay, so D is minus 3. So minus 230, this minus 5 we can shift here, plus 5 minus n minus 1 into minus 3. So this will give minus 225. Minus 3 into n minus 1. This minus we can cancel. So now n minus 1 will be 225 by 3. Okay. So from 3 we can cancel this. 3 6 are 18 will come. Okay. Or 3 7s are 21 we can take, and 3 5s are 15. So n minus 1 equal to 75. That gives n equal to 75 plus 1, that is 76. So that means from minus 5 to minus 230, 76 terms are there, and we should find addition of 76 terms. So that is S76 we should find. Okay. So we can write this formula first. Sn n by 2 a plus l. So 76 by 2, a is minus 5 plus l is, last term is minus 230. So 76 by 2 and minus 235. Okay. So we can cancel this 2 3s are and 2 8s are, then minus 235. So if you multiply this, 8930 is the answer. Negative 8930.